مشاهدينا الكرام، أهلا وسهلا بكم في حلقة جديدة من برنامجكم المميز رواد الأعمال. وكما عودناكم في كل أسبوع أن نستضيف كفاءة جديدة ومن زاوية رجال الأعمال سبيشال بزنس مان. رحبوا معي بالأستاذ Mr. Amit. Welcome, Mr. Amit, the owner of Quark International. It's such an honor being here with you today. So, Mr. Amit, firstly, we want to let our viewers know more about you and how did you start your career here in the UAE?
Okay, first of all, I thank Samal and TV for arranging and giving us this opportunity to know about our business and about our team. Your question, I am an engineer by profession and a project manager also. And we have Quark International, we have two business units. So one business unit is related to the engineering, one is engineering unit, strategic business unit, which takes care of the electrics and automation works and security systems in different to government entities or to the buildings, contractors we work. And we have accomplished whatever the jobs we have taken since our emancipation. Since our start, we have completed those. More than 50 jobs we have given successfully handed over. We have worked across the projects from downtown Dubai to Abu Dhabi Mubadala Tunnels project and Al Maria Island, which is a flagship island and project for Mubadala, and some very technological projects which are by the great leadership here. They have put like Barakah nuclear power plant, so we are very proud to be part of that project, which is now already under operation, and some projects like here in downtown. There is also one project which we like to share from Mubadala. Also, I think the only plant in solar, which is a CSP, it's a technology called concentrated solar power plant. It's only of its kind in very less plants in the world, and one of which is operational in Abu Dhabi. So all these projects we are involved and we have successfully completed the jobs over there. We have another business unit which is catering corporate uniforms and textile business. So this unit is mainly catering, completing the corporate wears. Like uniform is your professionalism, you wear professionalism. So we are not like normal uniform suppliers. What is special with us is that we design it, and what we do is we right from the start, from the concept view, we help the client to how to express their work and their logo into their uniform wear. And we do some, we have done some innovations also on the fabric. And we were very proud and we are very satisfied also that during this COVID time, we made a lot of PPE and this cover rolls and masks, and we helped the frontliners in defending all for this social cause, and we really appreciate their effort, and whatever way we can, we did support. And we are very thankful to the authorities here also, because we were many times delivering very late, and there were restricted hours, and they helped us to complete that. So this is our business. So mainly we are into engineering and uniforms, and engineering we are taking care of the electronics and automation part, and the uniforms we are taking care of the corporate wear among the clients.
Wow, Mr. Ahmed, that's really great. You have such great accomplishments. So, can you summarize what kind of services do you provide for our viewers?
Okay, for the engineering business, we provide services in the area of electrical. So we in electrical instrumentation, security systems, we do full engineering, the front end engineering design services, consultancy, project management. We do manufacturing, we design the system, we do all the calculation systems as per the client's requirement. We do manufacturing also, we do installation, testing and commissioning, and good thing we can take care of the maintenance also later on. So if the equipment, once you placed, it required calibration or some kind of fine tuning after some time to meet the performance criteria of the company in terms of production or getting the ROI. So we can support, you can say our company is one-stop destination for in electrics and automation, where we can support all parts. And we have actually our 3 offices. One, this office in which you are sitting in Dubai, where we take care of all the engineering part. Then we have office in Ajman, where we take care of the trading part, in which we are selling all kinds of engineering modules and hardware and software solution. Like we are selling instruments, or which are used as a product. And uniform also we are doing there from there only. So this is, and we have 3rd office in Jebel Ali, Dubai, where we are doing the manufacturing. So it is our factory where we are not only manufacturing, we are doing some calibration and some maintenance jobs.
MashaAllah.
So this is for the engineering part, and for the uniform we are doing like the corporate we are designing the uniforms. We can do printing and embroidery and as per the client requirement, and we have the custom fabric, which is what you say, it's not like normally available in the market, which has more durability, more comfortable. And we have some special patented with the manufacturer patented processes for the fabric, which makes it like it will never smell, it will never give bubbles, it will have high durability. So we can support for the uniform, we can support on the textile fabric, we can support on the uniform, and we are supplying we are helping in designing the uniforms.
MashaAllah, that's really great, Mr. Amit. So, Mr. Amit, as you know, here in the United Arab Emirates, it's such a big market and there's a lot of competition, especially here in Dubai. So, it's not easy to be successful. What makes your company special?
Okay, this good question, because we always need to see the future. First thing, in UAE, why we are here? Because of the great leadership here. The leaders here, they are very futuristic. I will just share with you in brief. When I started, I am an engineer, like I told, by profession. I was not so much into planning, but the leadership here really inspired me to plan. When I saw they plan 5 years, 10 years, 20 years ahead, and so I see here everything is so systematic and organized. It inspired me to at least learn, and I start planning at least a week or 2, and it really helped me in the business. So what makes us special is we are like in UAE, so inspired from the great leaders here. We are very futuristic. Now on the engineering side, the future is artificial intelligence and machine learning. We are investing our time and effort, as well as whatever the financials we are getting heavily on this technology. If you enter this office, you can see also we have a clear picture on what sectors, like industry 4.0. We are working we are putting too much effort on this industry 4.0 and bringing AI and machine learning into all the automation part and production among UAE. So this very less companies are doing, and this we are doing. So this makes us a bit different, because there are very less people, and we have experience, and we have given some project which are, you can say, semi AI. We have given before. So this makes us, we have expertise, and with us the most important thing is that any client we work till we have started our business, none of our client has backed out. We consider a business only when we get a repeat order from a client. So we have, with any client we work, their ROI is assured, their return is assured, and we can guarantee 100% job completion with them. And we are one stop. We are working in all the industries. You can find companies working only in water sector. You will find only working in power plants. We are a company which works among almost 15 industries, from food, from water, to power plants, to even nuclear power plants. Very less people here in Gulf you will find who has worked with them. So we have done those jobs in all the industries, and we have successfully delivered those.
Wow.
So this makes us special, from differentiate from the others, and similar for the uniforms also.
MashaAllah, wow, that's really great. We hope you
Thank
reach
you.
even higher and higher standards in your career.
Thank you very much.
So, Mr. Amit, can you tell our viewers what are your future plans and where do you think you'll see yourself in 5 years from now, especially that you're inspired by the UAE leaders?
Yeah, so like I already told a bit about in the previous question. So the future lies in, on the engineering side, it lies in the artificial intelligence and machine learning. So we are working heavily on very precisely, and we are putting a lot of effort on that. So we are thinking from 5 years from now to come as a market leader in consumer electronics, AI, which are having AI features and machine learning features, and putting all the systems. We want to be part as a system specialist, to be part to revolutionize all the conventional process systems based on the old automation system with this inclusion of AI and machine learning. So 5 years from now, like UAE already, the leaders are already directed towards that vision. We are already part of that vision, and it's being reflected in not only in our company policies, it is also in reflecting in our thinking. And UAE is the best place to be in because of these kind of futuristic things. It's the technology capital.
We hope you all the best, Mr.
Thank
Ahmed.
you.
So, Mr. Ahmed, can you tell our viewers where we can find your offices?
Okay, we have 3 offices. We have engineering offices located in Dubai, Karama. It's a very easy to find place. It's the heart of the city. Here in this office, we are taking care of all the engineering activities, design and sales, and all the project support. Second, we have a trading office in Ajman, where we are taking care of trading of uniforms, trading of all instruments, hardware and software modules for engineering, as well as a partnered factory in Ajman, where we are doing the production for the uniform. We have a third office in Jebel Ali Industrial Area 1 in Dubai, where we are manufacturing we are doing the manufacturing activity for the engineering design. So we design in Karama and we fabricate those in Jebel Ali, where we are making the control panels or the power panels, distribution control boards, main distribution board. And we have also on the electrical, I just want to take the opportunity to tell that we have ADDC approval for up to 2500 amperes. So we are already approved by a lot of authorities on the manufacturing side. We have ISO certificates. We are ISO certified company. All our divisions are ISO, and we are following a very good like quality in all our processes, and all our team is very passionate, and parallelly they take care of this quality aspect in whatever they do.
Dear viewers, the contact number and website of Quark International and Mr. Amit's will be shown below on your screen. Lastly, Mr. Amit, we want you to thank our government and UAE leaders for providing us with such blessings like safety and security and luxury and the business environment we live in here today.
There is no doubt, there are no words actually. I'm very happy to be here in UAE, and I already told you, I am every day as a business owner, I am inspired from them, the kind of vision they have, the kind of planning. It's really, I would like to say that Dubai is, they are telling, we are seeing they are holding Dubai Expo, in 2021, which was supposedly in 2020 because of this COVID. But I will, really say UAE is like the technological hub that Expo is happening every year. Even no need to host. All the country people, it's a so resourceful place. All country people are here, always, and there is always every second or third day we see something. So great leadership. We see some initiatives from the government for some new kind of project, like a solar park or hyperloop. So different kind of technologies, and the leaders here, what I really appreciate, they are very aggressive towards the technology implementation. In the whole world, as we are seeing in the engineering, many aspects of this artificial intelligence and machine learning have evolved, and people do research and they come up with some outcomes, but implementation happens here in Dubai. We can see recently also there is a AI based car running across downtown. I saw that one. So this kind of aggressiveness and this kind of, you know, it makes UAE a unique place all around the world. And really this is not possible, this is possible because of the leadership here, and we are very thankful, and may God bless them and God bless UAE always, and we would do from our side whatever the best to support them. And I will just request them to, you know, there are a lot of like talented companies like us, so like in the big government projects, so just consider or reserve some part to show our talent dedicatedly. We are already working through contractors and subcontractors through that. We always this is the beauty of UAE, everyone has something to do. So resourceful place, so we can we will just request to them that if they can reserve some part only for, you know, small talented companies which can they can show their talent and something new, and they're already doing, especially for the engineering field. It's already happening in UAE, and we are very proud. And also one thing I want to say, that UAE is like one of the countries, especially in Gulf, which is having, you know, very good relationship with my country also. So they are having good relationship with everyone. They, you know, there is a mutual respect, and the kind of living you get here is very appreciable, and we think that this is one of the reason also. Getting the respect and having a good relationship with all the countries makes this place special, and this is, we really thank the leadership here for maintaining that, and we will look forward to be part till, let's see, maybe till end of the life.
Thank you so much, Mr. Amit, for this amazing letter. And thank you for having us here. We also from Samal Ain TV thank our UAE governments and leaders for the blessings they provided us. So Mr. Amit, we came to the ending of our episode. It was such an honor being here with you today.
Same here. Thank you very much.
مشاهدينا الكرام، إلى هنا ونختتم حلقتنا لهذا الأسبوع. تابعونا كل Friday and Saturday on Samal Ain TV and social medias: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. دمتم بخير وفي أمان الله.